You've got an idea. A good one. Maybe even a great one. You could push forward on your own. After all, you know your stuff. But startups are not easy. Having some guiding lights would help, right? G'day upstarts. Daniel Mumby, that startup guy. So you're interested in entrepreneurship. Or maybe you're not. I'm going to take you through the process of setting up a business in a fun but entertaining and inspirational way that doesn't feel like you're being preached to. It's really hard to create good media content around entrepreneurship. This is typically because the content topic is based around information or theoretical constructs. Yet these theoretical constructs are best learned through discovery. So, the challenge: how do I describe entrepreneurship without making it dull and boring? So I've come up with an allegory or a framework through which I can describe some of these concepts of entrepreneurship. One of my other passions, which is renovating and making furniture. I'll show you a picture in a second. Do you remember the children's game Mousetrap? Part of the premise of that was that in order to complete the game, i.e. catch the mouse, the first part of the game was to actually build the mousetrap, and then the second part of the game was to actually then catch the mouse. This framework that I've come up with is a lot like that. Recently I just finished making a deck, doing an outdoor room, setting it all up. The problem with that is I've lost my workspace. So I'm going to create a new workspace. I'm going to take you through the process of setting up a business in a fun but entertaining and inspirational way through that process in a form of practical steps. I'll describe the steps through each stage in a highly detailed and practical lesson of the process in a way that's engaging and fun. In fact, not only will I build the process, but you'll actually see how I'm going to use it to set up a new venture that I'm working on from scratch using that framework. At the end of that process, I'll then have a new business ready to launch, and ideally, so will you. So I'm going to show you how to develop a vision, map out a strategy, prepare your tools and equipment, map out a workspace, build your product, show you how to be creative and resourceful when it comes to your raw materials, and that can include capital too, especially when you're just starting out. And if you need further help and guidance, I'll have some access to some extra tools and training. So what I want you to do at the moment is just click on the like button. If there's a subscribe button, click on that too, so that you can actually then be notified about all the other series of videos as I lay them out. And then we'll go on this journey together, and ideally at the end of it we'll have something really interesting to set up to talk about. Now at the end of the process you're going to actually see what the business is that I'm creating, but for now I'm going to keep that under wraps. So this is just an introduction to what the series is about. It's called The Starting Block. But for now, Uru, I'm Daniel Mumby, that startup guy. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe below, ask some questions if you want, make some comments, and please share it. Thanks very much. There are so many ways that you can go, and this is The Starting Block.